Our next low-cost option is Canva. Canva is a free platform that has the option of a paid upgrade called Canva to Work. At the time of this recording, Canva at Work is $9.99. You can use Canva for free, but you will be unable to download designs with a transparent background. Canva does have a 7-day trial for Canva at Work that you can use to get your designs completed without the commitment. To get started with Canva, we will go to canva.com, start a new account, or if you already have an account, you can log in. After you set up your account with Canva, you will see the home dashboard for Canva. For our Printful design, we're going to go to Create a Design, use Custom Dimensions, and the dimensions we need are 42 inches wide and 36 inches high. And we'll click Design. Once Canva opens up your custom dimensions, we will add to your graphic. You can add your text. You want to be mindful when dropping your text that it is wide enough for what you need and it's still legible. And you want to make sure that the text is centered on your design artboard. You can add images to your design. Once you've finalized your design, we will download it PNG, and if you have Canva at Work, then you can add the transparent background, and we're going to download. After your design is done downloading, we will move on to the next step.